Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll walk through the quickest way to take control of your privacy on Telegram by adjusting your last seen status. Whether you're looking to limit who knows when you're active or just prefer a bit more discretion, these updated steps will guide you. Let's dive in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Look for the menu icon in the top left corner. It's either 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture, depending on your device. Tap that to open the side menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. This is where all your account preferences live, from notifications to security. Once in Settings, you'll see an option labeled Privacy and Security. Tap it. This section is your Privacy Command Center, where you manage everything from blocked users to message encryption. Scroll down until you find Last Seen and Online. This is the setting that determines who gets to know when you were last active. Tap it to open the options. You'll now see 3 choices: Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. To balance privacy with practicality, select My Contacts. This ensures only people in your saved contacts can see your last seen timestamp. Strangers or random numbers won't have access. If you want to go fully incognito, choose Nobody. But keep in mind this will also block you from seeing others' last seen statuses in return. For those who want even more precision, Telegram lets you create exceptions. Below the main options, tap Add Exceptions and choose Never Share With. Here, you can handpick specific contacts to exclude, even if they're in your list. This is perfect for keeping certain people, like coworkers or distant acquaintances, out of the loop without fully cutting off everyone. Once you've made your selection, confirm by tapping the checkmark or save button at the top. Your changes apply instantly. To test it, ask a friend outside your exceptions list to check your profile. They'll no longer see your activity timestamp. And that's it. In under a minute, you've tightened your privacy settings and taken charge of who knows when you're online. Remember, staying proactive about your digital footprint is key in today's connected world. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering your tech life. See you in the next one.